On this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem that Steam won't open in your Windows PC. But before we start, don't forget to drop a like into the video if you find it useful and to subscribe for more content like this one. Now let's begin. The first option that we're going to try to do is to clear the cache of Steam itself. And to do that, you want to type into the search bar run, and you want to open the run app. Inside of the run window, you want to type steam : // config and click into OK. As you can see, now this will clear your local downloads cache and you will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish continue? And you want to click into OK. Next time you open Steam, you are going to need to log in once more. Another option that you can try to do is to right click into the Start button and open your Task Manager. Now in Windows 11 or Windows 10, the Task Manager is going to look a little bit different, but what you want to do is to go where you see the details right here, scroll until you find Steam, then right click into it and select End Process Tree. This will close completely Steam and all the other applications that Steam can open, and then you want to restart your PC and start Steam once more. A third option can be to update Windows, and to do that you want to right click into the Start button, open your settings. On the left side you want to go where you see Windows Update, and in here you want to check for updates. If you have any update available, you want to install them. The last option is to uninstall Steam. For that you want to right click once more into the Start button, go into Settings, on the left side click into Apps, Installed Apps, scroll until you find Steam, and then click into the three dots on the right side and select Uninstall. After that you could even do more by deleting manually the folders of Steam if any of them stay still in your hard drive. And after that you will need to download and install Steam once more into your PC. I hope this guide have helped you guys with your problem. If it did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.